Today's video is going to be a Dollar Tree haul and like a little bit of 99-cent store. I have a few items that I got from the Dollar Tree. I remember my niece literally because my tripod, I want to take out my tripod. Anywho, remember to click subscribe if you haven't done so. If you already did, thank you very much. And click the little bell to notify you when I have a new video. Comment down below what's your favorite item, or if items that I have you haven't found on your Dollar Tree, because every Dollar Tree is different, or like it varies by that time that you get certain items back in your store. Let me put you up high a little bit. There you go. So yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna show you a few of the items that I got here that actually my daughters picked. They also got a few other things, but they already opened it. But I wanted to show you these on their pool in like summer area. They have these swim masks, they're calling them. They're like goggles, and these ones are purple and the green, and this is pink and white. They also had a blue and I believe a green one. They also had one similar to this that had the snorkel mouthpiece, but those other ones weren't like the same as this. They seemed a little bit flimsier than these, and these are like the ones that include your nose section. Hopefully you could see your nose goes in there, so you're nice and tug in there. So they both got one of each of those things. And then these plastic, what are you calling them, photo frames. They do have a little protector here. This is the 10 by 8 horizontal. I'm thinking you could put it, yeah, you can put it like vertical as well. They do have it on a vertical, but I didn't find it in my store. Does it have a little protective? Yeah, it does. This is a 10 by 8 photo frame, and I also have gotten the smaller version. This is the 7 by 5, and they're both horizontal. I need these. I'm going to put my my Venmo and my Cash App little barcode or the QR code here when I'm going to do a pop-up event, and I want these for that purpose and for like my logo kind of thing to be in there and mix. I also got from the same area, oh well, I'll show you these. Luna got these stickers from the Crafter Square. They're paper craft pop-up stickers, and they're kind of, I don't know why she liked it. I think she liked it because of the emojis, but they're kind of like, look at this. Can you see they're a little bit pop-up, like 3D, and they're paper. And it says hashtag selfie, the little dream catcher, the peace sign, the Wi-Fi, and the I am. She got that one because, I don't know, she liked it. Then, when I found these, I hadn't seen these, maybe you have, but these are the lobster claws for like necklaces. If you're making necklaces, these are 12 pieces in there, but it only has like one side of the, you know, of the lobster claw. I got 2 of them, so I got a total of 24. But can you see? Is these. And then next to them were the jump rings, so you can put this at the other end, and then you have these. This for some reason has more. I have no idea how many individually, but it says it has 20 grams of these. You can get these at the Amazon as well, but for $1 for quick, it's really nice. I also got these iridescent beads. They're 45 in a pack, and they have this color. I seen they hauling in another color, and I did saw this other lady in the on the cashier that I think she had green, but I'm not sure. They're iridescent pink, and I got them because I want to do these little necklaces things. And from the Crafter Square as well, I bought these quiz applicator bottles. These been there for a while. I've been wanting to get them, and then I didn't get them, and then I just got them. They're 2 in a pack. It goes nice. I don't know if maybe you can see it right there. I already have some of these, but like I saw that these, I think I got another one. They had different like the size of the end balls. I use these for look, I have paint for painting dots in my piggy banks that I make, and this is called an embossing stylus. But I did found that they were different. Maybe I find it. And I also got, this is a repeat as well, a detailing scissor. They used to have another one, which is this one. This pink one that I have bought from there too. Can you see the difference? This one is even more detailed. It has like, it's thinner than this. And that one is has like a tip. This, and you can see the color of it is also different. This is more into the hot pink, and this is peach. I had bought this one on my other haul, but I actually gave that one to my mom, and I wanted one for myself, and so I got it. Then I got these beads, these whole beads. They have different things, but they're the same. They're like, they have different brand things, but they're, both of them are from Crafter Square. There are 125 pieces, and these are the wood baggies. For some reason, one feels fuller than the other one, even though it has 125 pieces. The older brand feels fuller, or maybe the balls. This one has more of the bigger balls than this one has of the smaller balls. They are wood beads. I'm running out of breath for some reason. I don't know why. Okay, in that same area, I think I did got two of these from the same Crafter Square. This is the stretch lace, or the elastic, for the same purpose of the, like the necklaces or the bracelets, I mean, for the bracelets. There's that. Look at these. They're coming apart. I got two of these, but these ones are on the squares, but it's the same colors, and these are more like in the like ovalish side, and these are 90 pieces, and pink, green, purple, yellow, and blue. These ones only on the green, on the pink side, comes with an elastic cord, and then I don't know why it comes off, but look at this. It's the same colors. It's just, it came off the plastic here. I don't know why it's just not sticking anymore, but it's the same colors. It's just the beads are squared, and also 70 pieces. Actually, the squares have less. Look at these. These ones have 90 pieces, and this is only 70 pieces. But also the pink one has the elastic side, or the elastic thingy. Luna and Layla got these. I don't remember if they had it. These are the baby shower favors. They got the little rattles, and they also got the little carriages, but they already opened it. But it's like these, like the baby shower favors. They're using them for their little baby dolls, the little Barbies. They got them in the pink and in the blue. And on the rattles, there were only pink ones, so they only got the pink ones. There's 6 in a packet. Those are nice for the baby shower. Like, they put it on the legs, and you don't cross your legs and such like that. And then let's see what else. Oh, look, here's the stylus thing. Hopefully you're able to see, but I'm going to I don't know if it makes a difference of, like, this one has a blue strap and this one has a green straps. I don't know why. I think one is the older brand thing, and then the newer one, there's both says small and medium ends. It doesn't really have like a here, but look, I'm gonna turn it over because this one has like the side. On the top, there's the ball, and to me, this one seems more bigger and like baller, like thicker than this one. And on this one, you're probably gonna see it more clear. This one is way bigger than this little tiny one. I already have 2 of these, I think, and I have like this, like the tinier one, but they're getting busted, so I got 2 of these. I don't know if they're rebranding it, or like they're making the logo a little bit different, that their items are actually different. Okay, the next thing that Luna got is this fashion nails. They're for little kids. They have a little pug in it. Look at that. It's like pug and little sprinkles. And these are 12 pieces, kids pour, and it's like a pug lobster. And yeah, she got this sign for my laundry area. It says wash and dry, and it's like a little thing for ironing. And it has the little things here for maybe I'm thinking they use this for the lost, like the uneven sock that has no pair. It says open 24 hours, and it has a little lanyard stick. It's really light. I like it. Then I got by Jot pants. I'm gonna be making these foamy pants, and I used to have this, and I don't know what happened. I think I had it in another one, but I love pens, so I would just keep them for myself. These are the Ballpoints. These are the medium blue ink and smooth writing. It includes 10 pieces of the pens. And I also got one of these Palmolive tough and grease, gentle on the planet, made with 100% recyclable plastic, lavender and lime. I didn't get that in purposely for the dish soap. I actually got it for the bottle. Because I got a bottle before, but it's so hard to squeeze. It's like a bottle like for drinking, for like I buy the big jugs from the Costco for the dish soap, and it's just so hard to squeeze. So I got this one so I can like finish the soap, of course, and then just reuse a little tiny bottle from my big bottle. I just like, you know, like refill this one. So I got that one. The girls also got airheads. I hadn't seen the airhead in this presentation on the bites. We usually have the airheads, like the little strap that you can click and make a little ball. They already eat one. They actually had bought 2 of them, and they already eat one. Then I also got these headbands. What do you call them? Yeah, these headbands with the flowers. I do have 2 daughters, so I did get 2. They are the elastic headband. Look at this. And I like that on the other side, the actual flowers have like another felt little part of it, so these won't hurt on their head, and they're bigger. I tried it on Layla, and the hand looks pretty nice. Like look at this. It looks, I don't know what purpose they had it for the summer, because Cinco de Mayo already passed, but I like it. I like it. Then what else? Am I finished with those? Okay. Then I got this one especially for my business. I saw them and I thought they were very nice. These are the pot mitt. They usually have this other pot mitts that look more like Dollar Tree flimsy things, and this one are like this, and on the other side it's like silicone, or what do you call it? Yeah, like silicone. They are 7x9, and they do have a pocket like in here, and then it's kind of like quilted here. I got 3 of this turquoise color. I got 3 of the red. I did saw had pink, but I didn't get it on another store because I went to 2 Dollar Trees 2 different days. And then I got on the gray, and they also had another blue one, like navy blue, but I like turquoise better than the navy blue. And they all have the silicone back. These are really nice, and they fly really quickly because the crafters use them. And they're the pot mats, pot mitt, I don't know what they call it, pot mitt. You put your hand through there. Look at this. You put your hand through there and then grab it, or use it for gifts, and put like the spoon and the cookie mix or the cake mix right in here, one of those baggy ones. It's a nice little gift. And I got 3 of each color. And I think that is all from the Dollar Tree that I got. I don't know if I have shown you these other ones, but I guess I'll show you. That one is from the 99-cent store, and I got it for Luna's graduation, because she's going to graduate kindergarten and she's going to go to 1st grade. This Thursday will be the promotion. They're doing it in a drive-through, which sucks, but either who. I got these. She's not Hawaiian, but I did got these what do you call them, flower lace, and they were $1.49 because, look at this, because they light up. Where'd it go? They have this little, they have the wire in this like straw kind of area, and then they have this little thing. Let me take off the little, you can put right back that thing in there. Look at this. Can you see? I think it only has the flickering one. Yep. You can put that little shenanigan back in there, and it won't turn on. Is this flickering or no? It says light up. flower light up. So for $1.49, they give you the light for $1.49 for the light. I think it's genius. And the flowers were decent. It looks very full, not like $1, like very empty one. Then I also got her these. Remember these ones, these last things are for the 99-cent store. I got this. This was a 99 cents. Congrats Grad Headband, and it is the headband, but it has her little, like from her cap and gown, it has a little tassel thing, and it says dream big right on the little cap. I also got her this little dude here. This was $1.99. It has the big price there. I'm not sure if this is a brand thing. I don't think so, because it has this, but it does says Kids of America Corporation tag on the side, and they had other two different kind of faces. They had one without the glasses, and then of course this one with the glasses, and another one that I can't remember. He has a little like capping gown, and I'm gonna give him, she has forgotten that we have those. Yeah. Then I got this kitchen timer, toaster shaped kitchen timer, toast pop up when the alarm sounds. And this one is good for like the kitchen when you put something in the kitchen, for a toy, and for when you time your kids to do something. It's really nice. Look at this, I'll show you. Look at the little toaster. It's so cute. This was 99 cents. I don't remember being something else. Look at the toast. You see the toast? Look at that. You can see my camera right there. This is the timer. It looks cute. It looks like a little toy thing. You can use it for an actual toy or an actual timer. Either way. Then I got these other things. These are candy. We had another kind of thing. Oh look. Here's the other little elastic thing that I told you guys that I got 2 of those elastic things for the bracelets. I got these Pest candy dispenser that looks like a crayon, a purple crayon, literally sitting right on the floor. I got this one for the teacher to put in a little gift, and it has a little Pest candy and the little crayon. They had other different colors. Then I got these ones for me. They actually had a pink one too, but Luna already opened it. These are the Hello Kitty. Look at this, is like the little bunny, and then this is the little Hello Kitty. The little Hello Kitty also came in pink. We also have that one, but Luna already took it over there. The Pest container, it's a keychain. Hopefully you could see. It's a little keychain. Can you see that? And the Hello Kitty is plush. The head is plush, the little feet and the little hands are plush, as well as the one with the bunny. Oh look, you can see on this one the keychain a little bit better. Look, it has one of those little claw ones that you hook up, and you see access, and it's so cute. They had a whole little display there that I was lucky to find. Yeah. Well, that is all that I got from the Dollar Tree, and a few of the items from the 99-cent store. Yeah, comment down below what was your favorite item, if one of your kids or somebody is graduating this year. And yeah, can you see a little here? I have a little blemish, little patch here for my pimple there that hurts. Like, hurts really bad. But yeah, that is all that I have for you guys today. Comment down below what was your favorite item. Subscribe if you haven't done so. If you already did, thank you very much, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.